to all the employers, I am Girly Perono, 33 years old, from Tacurong City, Sultan Kudarat. I am single, no children, my father is a farmer, and my mother is a housewife. My highest attainment is high school graduate. Sir, Mom, it's my first time to work in Hong Kong, but I have an experience in Saudi Arabia in 5 years and 3 months, with 7 members of the family. I serve one couple, my mom is a teacher, my sir is a policeman. With 5 children, ages 16, 14, 10, 2 years old, and 1 newborn baby. My duties are taking care of the children, cleaning the 3-story of house, cooking, doing laundry, ironing, and many more. I'd like to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn money for my family need and to save money for my future. To my future employer, please choose me as your housemate because I'm trustworthy, patient, and hardworking woman. I promise to do all my duties and my responsibilities. Thank you, and I'm looking forward to work with you as soon as possible. Thank you.